Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ariful Islam. This is my new video. I am standby Sahib Bazar at near Kumla Cantonment. Sahib Bazar is very important market, opening fast morning because fresh vegetable, fresh foods, fresh fish and fresh milk. Near the cantonment lives all follower. Please come Sahib Bazar because Sahib Bazar is very important and fresh vegetable and fresh fish and fresh all item. Why? I am standby Sahib Bazar. It is very good important place in my market. I hope all follower come here Sahib Bazar. Thank you watching my video. ধন্যবাদ।